Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download and install Counter-Strike 2. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, let's go ahead and open up our browser right here. Of course, you could go ahead and use any. And once inside, you just want to go ahead and search for Steam. Now, Steam is a video game digital distributor service and it is completely trusted. It is one of the most famous video game distributors out there, so you have nothing to worry about. After that, just go ahead and click on the welcome to Steam right here and just go ahead and make sure that you create or sign up your own account. Now, after opening up Steam right here, you will be prompted right to their storefront. And you want to go ahead and locate the install Steam button right here. It is right beside your profile icon. After that, you can now go ahead and install Steam directly into your PC. And after installing the Steam application, just go ahead and open it up and you will be prompted right through their storefront. And basically inside you have a bunch of games that you could go ahead and download, but what we are looking for is Counter-Strike 2. You could just go ahead and directly search it in the search tab, but Counter-Strike is one of the most downloaded games here on Steam, so you could go ahead and easily find it. I'll just go ahead and click the most played right here, and then I will basically see Counter-Strike. As you could go ahead and see, Counter-Strike is number 1. Go ahead and find Counter-Strike, click on it, and then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the Play Counter-Strike 2 button. Just go ahead and click on it and it will prompt you to the download page. After downloading the game, then you will be able to play Counter-Strike 2. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.